Hi guys, you're welcome back again to Path to Success. Here as usual, I share strategies on how you can make much money online, either by getting an online job, by investing, or by trying any money making strategies out there right from your comfort zone. If you are interested in making money online, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and click on the bell notification icon down there to get fresh updates. Well, today we are still on Forex, and in this video I will continue from where I stopped. So let's dive in. I will be talking about the analysis in Forex and how to use them to determine an outcome in the market. In the Forex market, before you start trading, it is best for you to analyze the flow in the market and economy in order to predict the movements of currencies currently. It's not good to trade by guessing because you might probably fail doing so. There are basically two ways to analyze the flow of currencies, and these are technical analysis and fundamental analysis. Technical analysis. This is the trading system or technique in which prices and volumes are used to identify trading opportunities or to determine the movements and flow in the market through the use of logical and historical patterns. In other words, technical analysis is the study of charts. This means that whenever you are doing chart reading in Forex, either through some indicators, tools, or logic, you are using technical analysis for your predictions. While fundamental analysis, this is the process of using political impacts, economical impact, and social factors to determine the flow in the market on relative value of a currency. In other words, this is the use of news on business, money, economy, and government order to determine and predict what will happen in the market. Technical and fundamental analysis are both used by Forex traders for accuracy in their trades. But these two are quite effective in different ways. Technical analysis is best used to determine the outcome in short-term trades, while fundamental analysis is best used to determine the outcome in long-term trades. Let me give you an example. Let's say you are a businessman and you are into real estate business. You determine to buy a plot of land in order to sell it back and make profit from it. If you should sell the plot of land at a short period of time after buying it, your profit won't worth much compared to the price you bought it. But in this case, you have used the technical analysis system to trade because you did everything within a short period of time. But let's say if you are willing to keep the property and sell it later in 10 years period, you will make more money on it. And in this case, you are using a fundamental analysis system to trade. The same applies to currencies in the foreign exchange market. You use technical analysis to determine short trade, and while you use fundamental analysis to determine long trade, because this is how everything works. When you trade at a short period of time, you are using technical analysis, but when you want to use fundamental analysis, that means you are predicting because you have heard the news that something might happen in a few weeks time or a few months time, so you are predicting that the price might happen for a very long time. That is why when you know much about fundamental analysis, you use it for a longer trade, as a longer term trade. Technical analysis is mostly used by Forex traders compared to fundamental analysis. This is because technical analysis deals with the current flow in the market, while fundamental analysis is about the news of what might happen in the economy in the future. And it's not all fundamental analysis that really affects the market, but the ones that affect the market gives great effects on it. The more you gain more experience in trading, the more you will know the fundamental analysis, the fundamentals that really affect the currencies in the market. Now let's move to charts. Charts are very important in Forex. You need them to see and analyze the flow in markets and to also make your decisions on trades. Whenever you register to a broker on their trading platform, you will surely find a chart where you can select what currency pair you want to trade with. For example, let me show you what After Effects chart looks like. This is how your dashboard will appear once you register. Let me log into their demo trading area and show you their charts. Okay, here is the chart. This type of chart is known as candlestick charts. The candlestick chart is more likely the best kind of chart to read with because it gives better illustrations. But don't worry, I will give my explanation on different types of charts soon. Now, below there is the balance. This balance, $5,000, as you can see, is actually not real. It is just there for you to practice with because this is just a demo account. Although once you make a deposit and you want to trade for you, everything here will still look the same. It is only the amount in the balance that will be different. Instead of the bogus $5,000, it will be what you deposit here. And up here at the buy and sell place is where you place your orders. So that is how the After Effects chart looks like. But there's something about the chart and most other brokers' charts. They are usually somehow dull and they are not really explanatory. As you can see, it's just somehow. For this reason, you won't be able to do some technical analysis very well with it, and this might affect you when trading. So you will need a better chart to analyze when trading. Because of this, most traders use other charting websites to read, then they trade on their website or their broker's website. And there's a popular website called TradingView. Alright, now let me show you what TradingView looks like. Let me open a new tab and show you. Right here, this is TradingView. This is the website. It's a very good charting website because you will find charts to all currency pairs, to the stock market, cryptocurrencies, and all other things in the market, in the trading market. So you can just come here, open a free account. You can use your Google. Although they have other like premium accounts and pro accounts, but their free account is also good for you to start with. You don't need to upgrade. Their free account is also good because you have chance to use all other tools for your technical analysis. So right now, just come here. I just click on the hamburger button up here, then go to charts. Okay, right now, as you can see, this is a chart, and compared to the OptaFX charts, that is just somehow like this. Although you can enlarge this one to see and view it better, but still you can't compare this chart to this chart. This is more standard and well explanatory, and there are various tools that you can use here on this chart. So right now, as you can see, this is also a candlestick chart, just like the one in OptaFX. But right here, you see that we have two different types of candles. We have green and red candles. The green candle is showing that, is indicating that the price is going up. That means people are buying more of the currency pair. While the red candle shows that it is falling. That means people are selling more of it. So the more you see red on the same line, you see that it's going down. The more you see green on the same line, it's going up. So right here, you have various things to do. You can change the currency pair you want, and you can also choose if you want to go to cryptocurrencies to check more of that. You can also just change some things here. So to change the currency pair, just come up here. You can see this GBP USD, this chart, and this GBP USD chart right now. Just come up here, click on that, and you can see we are under Forex GBP USD. Just to play it off, to choose another currency pair, just click here, then clean it up. So to bring out all other currency pairs that you can select from. As you can see, up here is Euro, USD, in different forms depending on their brokers. So you just scroll and choose the currency pair that you like most, the one that you want to trade with. So if it's crypto, come here, go through it. You can see you have charts of almost all charts. If you are into stock exchange, just come here, select, and move on. So that is how it is. You can just choose as you want. And the tools, yes, here is a trend line. You can draw a trend line, you can draw a support trend line, and a resistance trend line, depending on how good you are, how you want to read the charts. I'll explain this very soon. I'll explain all these tools very soon to you. And this is a Fibonacci and other tools. You can use them as well to determine your technical analysis. So Fibonacci retracements and the rest of the other tools. I'll explain that to you very soon. And there are lots of things you can do. You can also view charts. I mean, where the other users are chatting. You can view what they are saying about each currency movement, because you can also get some idea from them. So all you have to do is just come to this side. You'll find 3 balloons here. Just click on that, then the chart will load up. So here you see people used to show the screenshots of their predictions and the decisions that they want to make. So you can scroll up and read from what they are saying. They might just give you some hints. Some of them will give you some hints on what might happen in the market and lots of other things. although you can't just trust any most of the things they say here, because they are just traders like you also, so they can come up with different ideas, but some of them might be right. You can just go through what they are saying and get some ideas too. And there's one other thing that is very good about trading is that it also gives you news on important fundamentals. Like down here, if you should click on this is a news on important fundamental. You can go to other websites to just check about this and see how it might affect the market. So these are news. You can see these are news. There are different news here. Trending. And just go through them. They might affect the economy. So fundamentals are very important too, just like how technical analysis are. So that is it. And all this that I'm showing you applies to you have access to these with a free account. The only things that there are some little things that you might want to do that you will need to have a pro account for, and those little things might not be necessary for you. Like for example, if you want to use more, you want to view more charts at the same time, you might want to change the layout. So you can just come up here, click here, this is the layout button here. So let me say you want to view like 4 charts at the same time. You can select the types of layouts that you want to use, but on a free account it won't allow you to expand your layout. So that's why it's just telling you that you want a 30 days free trial, and after the trial you'll be paying for that. So you don't need this. I don't think you need it, but if you do need it, you can go ahead and pay for their pro version if you want to. But for now, it's best like this. So what you just be doing is that once you analyze anything here, you just go back to your FX or your trading platform, and you know what, because the same movement, that is the same thing that is moving here, following you with viewing the same movement. The same movement here is the same movement here. Okay, for example, okay, this is Euro USD. Let me change the charts. Okay, let me change the charts to Euro USD here for you to get a better understanding instead of GB. Okay, Euro USD. So let me put it in daily chart. The same thing. The same thing. Okay. Same charts we are having all over everywhere. As you can see, this is how it flows, and this is it. So whatever you're reading here, it applies to this place too. So what you just do is that once you have read anything here with your tools and some patterns that you've read here, you just go it back to your broker, your FX, then place a trade. And this is how you just place a trade. Just select the volume that you want to use. Although I will explain that in my coming videos. You can put your volume here. Now you go, maybe you want to buy or you want to sell. For example, assuming you predicted that the price is going to go higher than it is, you are going to buy. But if the price is going to fall less than that, according to your predictions, you are going to sell. So there is doubt about that. So that should be all for now. In my next video, I will explain how you can use some tools to analyze the candlestick charts properly, and I'll also show you some little things about line charts too. I'll explain some patterns that you can follow, that once you see these patterns, it's likely to give certain results, and I'll also show you some logic that you can use to make some proper predictions in the market. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please remember to subscribe and like this video to get more updates. Bye for now. Peace.